Hello. In this video, I will not tell you about the trading journal, in which you can import all your trading operations from various trading platforms. Also, I will not tell you about the strategy tester and trader's diary. Now, we will see how you can analyze your trading. The report form contains several dozen different reports. Each report has its own set of settings. Under the settings, there are various filters. For each type of report, all settings are remembered. When you select a report, type again, all its settings are restored. You can change the colors of various graphs and charts, as well as print any report. If you have several accounts with different currencies, then you need to analyze each account separately. For the analysis of trading on different accounts, it may be more convenient to open two report forms and in each of them, set up a filter by account. Each report form remembers its settings and restores when reopened. The report results table contains more than 80 different indicators of trade. Special attention should be given to the group Trade Quality Indicators. It contains such indicators as profit factor, expected payoff, recovery factor, maximum drawdown, Sharpe ratio, and Sortino ratio. A complex report can be built on one of three units: symbols, strategies, and trading accounts. Let's, for example, look at the detailed information on each symbol for the entire period. To hide extra columns, drag the column header to any place above the table. To display the hidden columns again, right-click on any column heading and select the Column Chooser option from the context menu. Drag the required column into the table. In the capital curve report, you can specify the units and periodicity with which you want to plot the chart. In this example, the line chart is based on the net profit with a frequency of records. If you click the left mouse button in any chart's point, the transaction form will be opened. If the right one, the screenshots that you have added to this transaction will be shown. Let's see how our deposit changed daily as per the percentage. To do this, in the units field, select the value %, and in the periodicity value by days. By default, the chart is built without taking into account deposits and withdrawals. To build a chart based on deposits from withdrawals, you need to disable the filter by doc type. If we want the chart to not reflect the first deposit in the account, then you need to specify the entry date more than the first document, deposit plus or minus. Let's find out what time we get to trade better. To do this, we construct the report profit loss with a periodicity of by hours. As we see, usually, by trading up to 12 hours, we make a profit. The rest of the time is a loss. Most likely, all of you already know that for each of your trading operations, you can add various properties that you can create yourself. For example, we added to this program the property market area with three values: trend, flat, and indefinite. In each transaction, we selected one or another area of the market in which this operation was performed. As a result, we have accumulated good statistics, and now we will conduct a small analysis. After adding a new property to the program, a new type of report with the same name automatically appears in the report form. We form a report on the properties of market area. As we can see from the report, trading in the trend and flat areas, we usually make a profit. Trading on an indefinite site brings us a loss. Also, after adding a new property to the program in the form of reports, you can set a filter by the values of this property. Let's see what the results of the trade could be if we did not trade in an indefinite area. To do this, we will construct the report capital curve, and in the market area field, select two values, trend and flat. As we can see, our trade has turned from unprofitable to profitable. I'm sure that it makes no sense to talk about each type of report separately. The names of the reports speak for themselves. Just choose different reports, set different parameters for them, and analyze your trading. This will give you a complete picture of when your strategy is profitable and when it is unprofitable. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you successful trading.